The Rh-negative conspiracy. Bloodlines, aliens, and forbidden origins. Is there a blood type that doesn't quite belong to humanity? Across the globe, around 85% of people have Rh-positive blood, meaning they carry a specific protein on their red blood cells known as the rhesus factor. But the remaining 15%, they're Rh-negative. And this rare distinction has stirred theories ranging from ancient interbreeding to something far more extraterrestrial. Rh-negative blood has no obvious evolutionary advantage. In fact, it often creates problems, particularly during pregnancy. If an Rh-negative mother is carrying an Rh-positive baby, her body can treat the fetus as a foreign invader, triggering an immune response that can be fatal without medical intervention. Why would nature design such an incompatible system? And why is Rh-negative blood more concentrated in specific regions, particularly among the Basque people of Spain and France, who also possess one of the most mysterious genetic profiles on Earth? This is where the conspiracy theories begin. Some researchers and theorists believe Rh-negative blood is the result of an ancient genetic anomaly, one not caused by normal human evolution. One theory suggests interbreeding between early Homo sapiens and an unknown species, possibly even something extraterrestrial, introduced this rare trait into our bloodline. Others look to ancient texts and biblical accounts. The book of Genesis mentions the Nephilim, described as offspring of the sons of God and the daughters of men. Some believe these divine beings, or watchers, could have passed down unique genetics, including the Rh-negative factor. Then there's the elite theory. Rh-negative blood is disproportionately found among the royal families of Europe. Some conspiracists believe these bloodlines have deliberately preserved their genetics for centuries, keeping their pure blood separate. They say this might explain historical obsessions with lineage, arranged marriages, and royal intermarriage. What's more, Rh-negative individuals often report unusual traits: heightened intuition, resistance to certain diseases, lower body temperature, and even unexplained experiences. Entire online communities exist for Rh-negative people who feel they're different, and they don't mean just medically. In recent years, DNA testing companies have had difficulty tracing the ancestral roots of some Rh-negative lines. Unlike other blood types that follow clear migratory and evolutionary patterns, Rh-negative blood seems to emerge sporadically in isolated pockets without a clear origin point. So what are we dealing with? An ancient human mutation? A forgotten species? A mark of alien heritage? Or simply a quirk of nature misunderstood by modern science? The truth may lie buried in bloodlines, history, and stories passed down through generations. One thing is certain: Rh-negative blood raises more questions than it answers. And those questions may reveal something far stranger than we're ready to believe.